So you've spoken with your family and friends, you've Googled it, you've checked out lots of different driving schools, and you just can't decide which one is for you. We understand how overwhelming it can be to find the right driving school and driving instructor. A driving instructor who is professional, super patient, knowledgeable, a driving instructor who can identify and understand your individual needs, your individual learning styles. This is how we help prepare our customers for confident driving test pass. Not only are driving instructors, but as a driving school, we'll do all we can to help you on this journey. It's what we call the YDA experience. Now let me make this decision a complete no-brainer for you. We're so confident in our trainers and the service that we provide, we want you to book a trial lesson with our award-winning driving school. And if after the first session you don't feel satisfied, you don't feel content that you've made meaningful progress today, you've not received great value from your driving lesson, you didn't walk away with a buzz, hope and excitement looking forward to your next driving lesson, you can walk away no questions asked. So book your trial lesson today by calling 0116 202 9857. We're excited to be working with you.
I chose your driving academy because of several reasons. Google reviews, I saw the testimonies online from other past students, and easy to get a hold of. I got a call back within 20 minutes of approaching your driving school, so it worked for me.
I went on the internet and I searched for reviews on driving academies, and this had the best review, so I thought I might as well go for it, so I gave him a rank.
I passed first time with your driving academy. Thank you.
My name's Gagdeep Singh Verk. I'm 28 years old. I've just passed my driving test, a bit later than expected in my view, but it's been a long journey, but I couldn't have done it without your driving academy.
Hi, it's Car Singh here, and I'm glad to say that I've actually passed my driving test. So now you'll see me on the roads, spotting cars, hopefully, on the roads as well.
I've just passed my driving test with Betty and it went really well. I started driving last year, but me and my instructor didn't really get on, so I stopped for a bit. But then I started with your driving academy and my instructor was really understanding and patient, and I passed.
Woohoo! Passed my test today. I had an amazing instructor, the test went smooth, great guy, great person to talk to. I'm going to miss you. Thanks for the certificate, Etty.
Learning to drive experience was, it was really smooth, it was really calming. My instructor was just low energy, so it was just, you know, relaxing and not high pressure or anything like that. Really informative. He would tell me when I would do something wrong, and we'd practice that a few more times within the lesson just to iron those flaws out.
Learning to drive experience was really sophisticated. It was really sophisticated and quick. I learned everything in a short period of time and passed.
I've been professional throughout the way. Every single driver that I've had through your driving academy has been professional on the extra mile, and they're always good to keep me calm all the time. So much appreciated. Thank you, and hopefully we'll never see each other again.
Yeah, thanks to your driving academy, and if you want to do any lessons, be sure to check them out, because they're a really helpful team, especially Effie, probably the best teacher out there.
Just passed my test, been with my driving instructor for a short while, absolutely chuffed, over the moon. Definitely advise you to join your driving academy. Thank you.
I would absolutely recommend to friends and family, hands down.
0 minus?
0 marks on my sheet.
Yeah, I recommend it to my friends, my family, someone on the street.
I started lessons in January and they were no good. I had my first driving test and I failed it. But when I came to your driving academy, you taught me proper lessons and I learned how to do all the manoeuvres correctly, and I barely made any mistakes. And then I took the second driving test and I passed today.
especially Effie, probably the best teacher out there to go to. And yeah, this is his. If you want to drive a Yaris, go for it. Everything's good about the car as well, but most importantly, the driving instructor is really good. And yeah, please recommend. I'd highly recommend your driving academy. Thank you.